What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this week's video is I'm going to show you how I make my Razzmatazz smoothies. And before we get this video started, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like and comment. And let's get this video started with. So now, these are the things that I use for my Razzmatazz smoothies. But like, if you don't have enough ingredients, you can use like different things. But mango and Razzmatazz smoothies are my favorites. So the first thing I use is Tropical Blend Splash Diet V8 juice. Okay, and then after that, I will put in whole strawberries. So strawberries are the next thing that I put in the smoothies. Now for Razzmatazz smoothies, you can put in bananas, you can put in yogurt, you can put different things in the smoothie. I'll sometimes add ice to make it thicker. But yeah, so the next thing that I'm gonna put some strawberries in there. And then the next thing I'm gonna add in is bananas, frozen bananas. And then after that, I'm gonna blend it, and then I'll see if I want to add some ice. Sometimes it gets stuck, so sometimes you have to, tap it on it. And I'll sometimes use this, if it gets stuck, to help it. Sometimes I'll add ice, but I don't think I'm going to do that this time. Okay. And then I get a smoothie cup. And I'll just add it into, ooh, don't spill, please. Let me put you guys a little lower down so you can see. Can you guys see it? Oh, there we go. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay. And then after that, I normally get a straw to put it in for my drink, and then after that, that is it. That is all that I use for my Razzmatazz smoothies. Now, sometimes I do put, different ingredients in there, like if I need to go shopping or something, or we don't have some ingredients, I can use different things. But yeah. And then I will put it away. Then I'll put the ingredients away and clean the smoothie machine, which is what I'm gonna do now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. And if you guys are new here, I post every Sunday around 12 or 1 p.m. And also for the next week's video, I did a YouTube video that I am going to try on like all my different eyeshadow colors. So we're gonna see which one I like the best. There's one of my favorite colors. I can add a clip in here. But yeah, so you guys will get to see the different colors that I have for my eyeshadow. So yeah, I'll see you guys next Sunday, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like and comment, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.